Take a quick video to show you the power of the Holley Retrobright LED headlights installed on a Kenworth W900A. This is on US 15 just north of Trout Run, Pennsylvania. It's 11:30 at night. That's the low beam. They're about as strong as the high beams were when using the sealed beams. This is the high beam with the LEDs. These are the 5700K versions, which is the more modern white. I preferred the yellow light, but as I've gotten older, my eyes definitely like the brighter white light for driving at night. They're truly impressive. There's no camera magic here. That's the high beam, and it's truly impressive. That's the low. Doing about 60 miles an hour right now. That's the high. Hope the video is helpful.